what's up? Welcome back. Today we will be trolling and spying on people as a fridge. I got my sister in to help me out a bit.
No, I'm going to be making a neon.
Wow. So you can't help me look for people?
There's only 8 people.
Should I say ABC for a new fridge?
Yeah.
That'd be hilarious. No, say ABC if you want a new fridge and I'll come to you. And then they can buy me. Like, do you still have that lemonade stand?
No.
Dang it. You could have charged someone $20 for a fridge. That would have been awesome. Here, I'm coming to you. Oh, and guys, in the future, I plan on making Fortnite videos. Fridge. Who's Dish?
Butter Bubble Cat?
Say that's Matt.
Nah. I'm getting 4 cookies.
Tell her I'm on my alt account. Please. She don't listen to me. Carly, she won't listen. It's me. It's me. Matt plays other.
Weird, I got to say, but you couldn't.
I'm gonna ask her to add me.
I have 4 monkeys. I can make a neon.
Can I have one?
No.
I do have $600.
Neither do I. But
Carly, you're not in Butter Bubble Cat's family, right? I am. Dang it.
Yeah.
Can you give me a pet? Okay. Wait, no, you could say free fridge. Come here, sell me. Say free haunted fridge. No, you gotta tell them they're haunted.
Let me see who wants a pet fridge.
Say it's coming out in the next update, but I got it early.
Okay, I'm down with the fridge.
I'm gonna be a baby so I look more like a pet.
Okay. Baby fridge.
Oh my god, I actually look like a pet.
Baby fridge.
I'm gonna be a pet fridge.
Baby fridge.
I'm gonna teleport to you. Say, who wants a free pet fridge? It's a new item I got, exclusive. Say, who wants an exclusive?
A Max Bubble.
Oh, say you're just gonna give it to her from backpack. Wait, no, because she already knows I'm
Say, it will be funny.
No, Carly, put your pet away so it looks more believable. Okay?
No, because you can see the family thing.
What if I leave the family?
You'll have to have, like, the newborn thing.
She won't notice. Come on, Carly, put your pet away.
She's going to try raising.
Put your pet away.
No, I'm making a neon.
Please.
No.
Wait for me. I know I have.
For $600, I'll buy you a monkey.
Wait, I want to be like a pet. Say, who wants a free pet fridge?
No, I already did. You do it.
Shush. Is somebody else a YouTuber? Why won't you help me with this? What if I'm your pet fridge then?
I think I'm about to sting it.
Your pet fridge wants to join your family. Thank you. Yeah, and I'm gonna rename myself. My name will be Pet. I'm a pet fridge. Where'd you go?
I'm on a tree.
Oh, and I can make it look more believable because I can teleport to you. Just like pets can in Real Adopt Me. Say, I have a pet fridge, OMG.
No,
Why?
you do it yourself.
You could totally scam with me. Me and your pet are just sitting down here.
No, because my pet's with me.
Wait, how do I look when I sit? It looks so dumb.
Okay, Bubba wants one. I'm gonna put my pet away and teleport.
Okay, I'm gonna leave the family. There. Is that Butter Bubble right here?
Mhm.
How do I put in emojis?
How you regularly put in emoji?
Where are they? I'm just gonna say I'm hungry.
Oh.
Oh my god! I totally forgot I could do that. Wait, I totally forgot I could do that.
You get legendary sandwich.
That's awesome! Oh my gosh, it actually shows a thing above me. I actually look like a pet fridge. I'm gonna pretend like you gave me to her.
Oh god. We're jumping again.
Quit running away, dum dum.
We're jumping to somewhere.
Where are you jumping into?
I don't know.
Tell her that the pet fridge is following us. The fridge is backflipping. Look, I can make myself do backflip. I'll follow you. I can barely even jump. Look how cute I look when I jump. Wait, look at the arms though. Don't the arms I picked out match the fridge? I need a shower.
I'm not your responsibility.
Double Carly say, this pet fridge is exclusive so I can have it out with other pets.
We're all just jumping to Butter's house.
Carly, can you say fridge is exclusive so you can, I got it early. Oh my god, you're not gonna.
We like jumping to Buddy's house.
Tell her the fridge is an actual pet, please. That's what the whole
No.
but that's what the whole video is about.
You do it yourself.
Eh.
And I know you're recording.
What, duh, I just said.
Guys, I'm making, Kelpie, and I never seen one before.
Oh, dances. I'm doing dance 4.
Wait.
Wait, Carly, can you say dance to me? Carly, type dance to me. And I'll actually do a dance. Dancing free. At the end of the video, let's reveal to her that, Carly, say dance.
No.
So
No, look, we synced.
I'm gonna make you unsync.
No, don't.
Then say dance.
There.
Wait, what dance was that?
Dance 2.
I synced it in with you. Look, I synced it with you.
You didn't.
Yeah, I did. You guys got your fridge dancing. Wait, say, look, the fridge is dancing. I'm dancing. This is awesome. I actually synced with you. This is epic.
You guys sync, right?
Yes. Like,
Dancing fridge.
say there's a dancing fridge. Her neck hurts. It's probably because of all the back bending we're doing. I don't have a neck. I'm a fridge. Can you say there's a dancing fridge?
No.
Why?
Deku.
I'm gonna follow you. Carly, have you ever seen a fridge do a backflip?
No.
Look. Meow. Wait, should I sit in her kitchen? Oh,
Yes, baby fridge. Or grow up, grow up.
there, I'm a grown-up fridge. How real does it look? This looks so real. Kind of, I don't know. This is awesome.
This is ass.
No, I said this is awesome. Say the pet can.
We're gonna jump to school again.
Carly, say the pet fridge can turn big and small. Big to store food in.
No.
Wait, I'm walking on water. Wait, that was cool. I actually walked on water. Okay, I'm teleporting.
We're jumping to school.
Yeah, you guys are lagging me. Can you guys like stop moving? I'm trying to keep up.
No, we're trying to get to school.
I'm trying to keep up here.
I'm sorry.
You guys are lagging me so hard. Pet fridge can't.
That's too funny to resist.
Tell me when you're in school.
We're in school now.
Here I go. Wait, Carly, you want to see the fridge go to sleep? Wait, Carly, your pets actually need sleep, right? The fridge is sleeping. This is hilarious. This is hilarious. Carly, pick me up now that I'm in your family.
My Kelpie's hungry. Everyone, I just fed him.
Carly, can you pick me up so I actually look like a pet fridge?
Yes, posting. I'm sure, but you'll be really heavy since you're a fridge.
Yep, you have a fridge on your back. Here, actually, pick me up though so I look like a real pet. Pick me up. I'm not gonna go on your back.
Go on my back first.
Now pick me up. Pick me up. Please pick me up. Pick me up or else I'm jumping off.
I was trying to.
Pick me up now. No, Carly, if you're the moving person, you could just pick me up. You could just pick me up and move me and put me down. Carly, put me in a bed. Since you can do that. Carly, you see? Doesn't it look so realistic?
I don't know.
Now pick me.
I'm going to buy you a monkey. Same with the Australian puppy.
You know you have to pick me up for me to be able to get out of bed, right? Magic. Magic.
Your cheek.
Magic. Magic.
Time to buy a box for Matthew.
You're buying me a monkey box? Wait, can I open the monkey box?
Nope.
Please.
Already did.
Oh. What monkey is it? What one is it?
I don't know. Won't show up.
That just proves how my phone is better quality. Look in your inventory. Go to pets. Oh, you got the monkey. What? That just proves my phone has better quality. Can you come pick us up? We're thirsty.
Not my problem.
Oh, Butter Bubble Cat gave me water. I'm drinking. I can almost buy a monkey box. Wait, Carly, give the monkey box to me and I can open it. Because I have better quality.
No, I'm giving you it from backpack.
Okay.
Did you get it?
Yep. What monkey am I getting? I got a normal monkey.
Nice.
And I got 2 cotton candies.
Can I have the cotton candies
Why?
to feed my pet?
What happens if you get 3?
You can't. You get a monkey no matter what.
I want Ninja Monkey on my Ninja Mat account. Or on my normal account. Carly, take us to the playground. I will hold cotton candy. Carly, you have ice cream falling out of the fridge.
I do.
Yeah, look at me. There was ice. I might buy a monkey box off camera, guys.
Well, here's the monkey.
Carly, wait, Carly, come here. You want to do the outro?
Nah.
Fine, I'm gonna do it at the park, and then
We're at the park.
I can't get out of the water. I can just do this. Since I'm a pet, I can teleport. Okay, well, guys, I think that is gonna end
Bye!
the video. If you guys want to see more content like this, be sure to like and subscribe. And now,
And if
see
you
you.
don't like and subscribe, I'll eat your kneecaps and break them.
Nico, Nico, Ni. Now, see y'all in the next one.